Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove saved searches on Upwork. If you've been saving job searches and they're no longer relevant, or your feed is getting cluttered with outdated alerts, this quick process will help you clean things up and keep your job feed focused on what matters most. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Upwork dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelancing profile and job searches. Next, click on My Feed. This section is where all your job recommendations and saved searches live, making it easy to track opportunities that match your skills and interests. By accessing this area, you're getting closer to managing which searches stay active and which ones you want to remove. Now look for the Manage button and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can view all of your saved searches in one place. It's a simple yet powerful feature that gives you complete control over your job alerts and search preferences. You'll see a list of all the searches you've saved over time, which might include specific job categories, keywords, or filters you've set up previously. Here's where the cleanup happens. Browse through your saved searches and identify the ones you no longer need. Once you've found a search you want to remove, look to the right side of that search entry. You'll see a trash icon right beside it. Click on that trash icon to initiate the deletion process. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to delete this saved search. This is Upwork's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove something important. To finalize the removal, simply click Delete. Once you do this, that saved search will be permanently removed from your feed, and you'll no longer receive notifications or updates related to it. And there you have it. You've successfully cleaned up your Upwork saved searches, making your job feed more streamlined and relevant to your current freelancing goals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.